So later, he will again serenade us more songs. Na-prepare, literal 100 songs talaga ang prepare niya for today. And because kumanta na si Francis, a very special person would want to share her piece of poem na sinulat niya. No other than Fanny Cecilia Brookhoven. Let us give her a warm applause.
Siguro pang 1,000 na to. Maaring ngayon po ay naririnig mo kami ngayon. Alam namin naririnig mo kami dahil pinayagan po kami ng nagpapasalamat po kami una, Mayor, sa Dutch government. Kasi dito po sa Den Haag, pinayagan po kami, Mayor. Pinayagan po kami magkaroon ng pagpupulong dito sa harap po kung saan ka nakapiit, Mayor. Naririnig mo kami, alam ko. Isa pong kaligayahan namin, Mayor, kahit hindi ka po namin nakikita. Maligaya na po kami na alam namin na naririnig mo kami, Mayor. At katulad po ng kinanta kanina, nandito lang po kami, Mayor. Mag-aantay po hanggang makauwi ka. We love you, Mayor. Happy birthday.
And in its wake,
thank you, Tol.
A silent night. Panic rose, yet we stood tall. For 2,000 souls, we gave our all. Trained to lead, too calm to guide. With steadfast hearts, we stayed inside. Then came the news, a bitter sting. Australia's gates would not let me in. A Dutch-born soul left lost at sea. No land, no path, no home for me. They called us spreaders, cast us low. Yet we had cleansed, had fought the foe. With careful hands and weary hearts, we prayed our long, uncertain parts. We waited long, a month went past. Each sunrise question, will this last? Singapore's lights, fleeting chance, yet fate had picked another dance. And then a hand, a call so bold, from Filipinos, strong and old. A father's voice, both fierce and kind, spoke words that eased a worried mind. Tatay Digong, a name now blessed, a leader's act, laid fears to rest. Not just for those he called his own, but even strangers lost alone. A father's love is not just blood, it's seen in hands that lift the flood. In those who give, who choose to care, who light the dark when no one else there. Through foreign shores, through tides unknown, the love of many brought me home.
Oras lang yung tulog ko niya.
Daghang salamat,
Kaya kailangan ng picture
kaysa
ako sa'yo.
Anong dala mo?
May biko ako.
Wow, paborito ko yan.
Mayroon akong kasabot cake. Ay, matulog daw ako.
Collaboration with the government leaders at the time, the CDC and the Shoreside
Mayroon akong
Royal Caribbean
dalawang oras lang yung tulog.
Salamat.
Para kay Tatay Digong.
Homemade.
May kape din ako, sir. Tapos, taga Isulan, Sultan Kudarat.
Oh, isulan.
Oo, kay Governor namin.
Oo, kay Pak.
Pax naman dadato, sir.
Thank you so much for that. Indeed, Tatay Digong is really a father figure and he's there for us when it's so difficult. Thank you so much for the woman who gave me this shawl. Sobrang lamig kasi, thank you so much. And now we are going to proceed with hearing messages from different individuals, and we are going to start with our former spokesperson.